Let's now talk about some logarithms. Logarithm is an interesting thing. It basically is when you say log of 125 equals some number, x. I'm not sure what it is. Log is basically log base 10 of 125 equals x. What we have to solve for on this, and we have to use our calculator to do it several times, is that 10 to what power is equal to 125? So saying this statement here is the exact same as saying 10 to the x equals 125. So 10 to what power would equal 125? So let's write that in terms of variables here, because it can be any base. Log base a of b equals x, then a to the x must equal b. That's the real rule to it. So let's do an example. If we have log of 100, well, what does that equal? Well, this is log base 10 of 100 equals x. Let's say x is the thing we're trying to solve for. Then 10 to the power of x must equal 100. Well, 10 squared is 100, so x must be equal to 2. Therefore, log of 100 is 2. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say we have log base 3 of 81 equals x. So that means that 3 to the power of x equals 81. Now, if you don't know this right off the bat, you can say, okay, how can I express 81 in terms of 3's? Well, let's take a 3 out of it. I would have 27. Take a 3 out again, I would have 9. Take a 3 out again, I would have 3. So there's 4 3's. So 3 to the x is equal to 3 to the 4. So x must be equal to 4. The last thing I want to talk about this is if we have ln of 6, let's say, equals what? This is actually log base e of 6 equals x. And that means e to the x equals 6. Now this is a very, very popular thing and a very interesting thing in university calculus and university math. E is just a number that you plug into your calculator, so we can do that out. Also, ln is a button on your calculator. So I just wanted to introduce that in case you ever come across it, but that's the basics of logs and how to solve for them.